Hey guys, this is Panda and I'm just doing a quick little DIY craft video. This is going to be part of my new setup. Currently I have my Game of Thrones from before, from a while ago, and I'm going to be taking down at least this part here and possibly also the board. I might put something else there, but I'm going to be doing these new posters I got, and I have Last of Us 1 and 2 posters, and as you can see I'm doing this one at the moment. When I first got these, I like to put this high quality clear packing tape around the edges. I just overlap it, or I just put half of it over and then fold it over and put the other half on the back side all around, so that I have a problem when I hang these up, mostly because I can't afford frames. So I usually just use stick pins or whatever. So I put the laminate on the edges to keep the stick pins from pulling, and also to keep it from sagging or bulging outward, because it does that a lot in my apartment. So that's what happens when you have really cheap walls and humid air, I guess. But I had these wooden dowels that are flat on one side, and they were light wood color wooden dowels, cheap lightweight wooden dowels. And I had these left over from when I made the frame for my Galaxy tapestry in my original setup, and I decided to make these as a top and bottom sort of, not really it's kind of a half frame, because there won't be side pieces, but it's going to be hung up with a string at the top, so it'll look more like a scroll type of thing. And if I had been able to find fabric posters of these, I wanted to get those, but I couldn't find any of this print anyway, so I decided to get these. And I'm going to be putting one on the top and one on the bottom. And what I did was I used my new alcohol markers, my artist markers that I got, to color the wood on these. And originally what I had done is gone over the whole length of these and drawn like wood grain lines on with a really dark color, and then went over the top with 2 or 3 layers of a lighter, well, it's a dark color, but it was lighter than the lines I drew. And I ended up trying to make them as light as I could, because I didn't like how dark they were. So I just kind of did 3 coats of the green on here, and so you can still see some of the lines I did. But I also like the part that I did where you see the natural green on this one, and somehow the color I put on here made that show through a lot more, so I like how that one looks too. So I got one for the top and the bottom, and I'm going to use some string as the hanging part, and I'm going to be using this double-sided 3M adhesive. It's supposed to be like wall mount adhesive, so it's super strong, and I'm just going to use little pieces of it to put along the top and bottom for these, to make sure that they stay on really well. I didn't want to use glue, being that I'm using really heavy duty plastic tape, so it probably won't stick very well, but I know this will, so I'm going to use that. And I just wanted to do a quick little DIY. I don't have a mounted camera, so I can't really do like I would like to be able to do one of those time-lapse videos, but I can't really do that with my equipment, so I'm just going to do this as a short video. I would pause it and come back to show you, but I'm not sure I'll be able to keep it going for that long without it turning off, so I'm just going to do this. And I will be doing a tour video after I get this done and make sure everything is set up for it. I'll be doing a quick tour video as part of my update, like probably going to be 3 or 4 part update vlog that I'm working on, and I wanted to get this all done by my birthday so I could do a birthday vlog, but that was a couple weeks ago, and I've just had a lot going on, so I'll be talking about that in my update vlog. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to be doing my posters, and this is kind of like a low budget way or budget friendly way of doing you know, decent looking wall art, I guess. I'm going to be looking for a piece that kind of reflects the Last of Us art style to put up here where this board is, so it'll look a little nicer. And I do plan on replacing the Daenerys poster with something if I can find, you know, anything else that I might have or might be getting cheap online somewhere that I can put up there. And then, you know, over there I just have my pin board that I'm collecting pins on, kind of a metal magnet board, etc. So I'm trying to stick with like the natural, it's supposed to be a steampunk theme like I did have here with the gears clock and, you know, like my steampunk themed desk stuff here and whatnot, but I have kind of been transitioning a little bit off of that, but I'm trying to not have it be too modern. So I'd like to have, if you guys have any ideas for anything else to go over there, that would be cool. Just let me know in the comments. And I'm also, by the way, going to be doing a giveaway of the Last of Us soundtrack. The Last of Us 2 soundtrack is actually coming out any day now. I think it might already be out, and I do want to get myself one of those, but I actually accidentally got 2 of these, so I wanted to give one away, and if you guys want to win that, I'll probably post about it on my Twitter. You can go check out the post there to enter the giveaway, or you can just leave a comment here. I doubt anybody will because I never get comments, but if you want to win this CD, it's brand new, Last of Us OST. Just leave a comment and let me know, and you might be the only one who does enter, so if you're not, I guess I'll just do a random drawing giveaway. But anyway, yeah, let me know if you want to win. Just leave a comment and like the video if you could. That would really help. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I'm not gonna like make you subscribe, but it would be really helpful because I've been grinding and not getting any subs lately. So anyway, check out my Twitter. I'll post it link below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.